Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be a brand new subscription box to my channel and I can't wait. It's going to be a regular and it is a Fabfitfun. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning box and huge. It is really big as well. So if you're new to Fabfitfun, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents inside this box, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. When I found out that they now ship to the UK a couple of weeks ago, I went online and I subscribed straight away. I've been wanting this box for so long. So a lot of you have mentioned it to me. I've seen lots of unboxings online. I follow all the social media sites and it looks an amazing, amazing box. Now it's not a monthly subscription, it's a quarterly subscription. So you get 4 boxes a year and you've got 2 options. You can either pay quarterly, which would cost you $49.99 and it's free shipping within the US. But if you're in the UK and you fancy it for yourself, it will cost you $49.99 plus $10 for shipping, which I thought wasn't too bad. And there was no custom charges or any problems like that. The box was delivered and all was good. So yeah, I was a bit nervous, but no, I'm happy. And from what I've heard from other people as well, they haven't had any issues with customs as well. So the box may seem a little bit more expensive than other boxes, but as I said, it is quarterly and you get billed quarterly. You've got the option to pay monthly all up front. I think that's $179, or you can do what I'll be doing is paying every quarter. And they send you an email beforehand letting you know that you're about to be billed. Each box has a value of over $200, which is amazing. Really, really good value for money. And you get amazing mix as well, from beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness and lifestyle. So you do get a good mix. Now you've got the option to customize your box as well. If you're new to Fabfitfun, when you first sign up, like I did, you get to fill in like a personal questionnaire all about your preferences. Now these boxes aren't personalized to you, but something that they might be doing in the future. But for now, they want to know what your preferences are like so that they can tailor the box to you as much as possible. That's what I'm gathering anyway. Please, if any of this information is wrong or if you know of any other information that you can add, then please comment down below, because I'm just sort of learning. This is my very first box and yeah, I'm just sort of getting in grips with it all. So yeah, so when you sign up, you fill in your personal questionnaire and you also get the option then to customize your box. So I think I have the option to choose 3 products from a list of products, and I chose 2 and I left one as a mystery. Because I'm a quarterly subscriber, that will be the only time I'm able to customize the box. But if I decided to take out a 12-month subscription, then I automatically become a select member, and that means that I'm able to customize my box every time it comes out. There's other perks as well, but though that's the main one. If you subscribe in between seasons and a current season's box is out of stock or sold out, then you will get what's known as an editor's box. So you'll still get an amazing value box, $200 plus, but the products will vary. So you might receive products that were featured in previous boxes. They also do an online shop where you're able to purchase products at a discounted price, and every month they bring out what's known as the edit or edit sale. I think that's open just a couple of days before you were billed for your box, and in this edit, Fabfitfun have worked with brands to bring down massive discounts off products. You're talking 30 to 70% off products. So if there's anything on there that you fancy, you simply choose them, add it to your basket, and they're classed as add-ons and they will be sent out and billed on top of your subscription box. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you're interested in taking this subscription out for yourself, you're welcome to use my refer a friend link. I can't remember what the link is off by heart, but I will write it down below. It entitles you to a $10 discount. So I'll write that down below. If you click on the show more underneath this video, that will bring up description, the link for the $10 off, plus links to the subscription and links to the shop, and everything related to Fabfitfun will be listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So let's open it up and show you. So this is what it looks like inside. Can you see there? So what's it say? Fabfitfun Spring 2019. In every box you get a magazine and it details all the products that are inside the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along, and it gives you a price as well. So I like to know how much the products cost. Now I've had a quick look. I couldn't help myself. I received this box yesterday, but literally just lifting up corners. But I wanted to unbox it with you. There, give you a quick look first. I don't want anything to fall out. I'm not sure how much you can see. Woo! So the first item was my customization product, and it's Unplug Meditation. Be happy, be present, be calm, and it can be activated using an app, and this is what it looks like there. The other options was a Moo Brie robe, which was $84, or there was a Duke's Luxe Demi backpack, which is $75, or there was this meditation aromatherapy diffuser for $55. Now I don't think I had the option for the other two. That might have already sold out, so I saw this anyway and I wanted this. So I haven't had a look yet. So we've got here like a little egg, and it's colour changing as well, so that's what it looks like there. Oh, it's orange. Yum. I love orange. So we got an oil there. Turn your home into an unplug meditation studio. Diffuse happy while watching the diffuser change colours for the ultimate Zen experience. And it says you can blend happy with other essential oils. Check out page 24 for our favourite diffuser blends. So that's the first item. I can't wait to try it. I don't own anything like this. Oh my gosh. I just want to drink it. It is gorgeous. Yeah, so that's my first item. I'm really chuffed. Next, we've got a beauty product, and this is by Dr. Brandt, and this is Needles No More. No More Baggage Eye De-Puffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles, and this is 15 grams. So that's the outer packaging there. And this retails for $42. Ooh, can you see there? I do like the sound of that. What's it like here? Oh, it's orange. Brilliant. It's colour correcting. Brilliant. Can you see there? I've only put a tiny dab there. But look. Whoa. Oh, I love that. I didn't know that it would be colour correcting. No, that's brilliant. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. Don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to colour correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-size amount directly under your eyes. So that's the second item. Next we got a kitchen product, and this is by Giadzy. I can't say it. Giadzy, and it's a set of measuring spoons. Now things like this I would never choose to put in a box, and that's not being negative, it's not being like I'd never choose to put it in, but now that it's in, it is such a handy thing to have, isn't it? We're always cooking with the kids at home and making cakes and things like that, and trying to work out, you know, the measurements of certain things. But no, when I saw this, I was like, oh, that is going to come in a lot of use, definitely. So you've got 4 there. You can see the ring light reflecting in them. So we've got a 1/4 teaspoon, we've got 1/2 teaspoon, then we've got 1 teaspoon, and then we've got 1 tablespoon, and it's also got like 15 mils and 5 mils, which is handy. So yeah, not a product, as I said, not a product that I would choose, but now that I got it, I'm really glad. So this would cost you $15, and it says, perfect for baking or cooking, the copper-plated measuring spoon set is the perfect chic addition to your kitchen. Giada, I'm sorry, I'm useless at pronouncing. So no, there's that. So next we've got a leave-in hair conditioner, and this is 140 mils, and it's by Ouai. I can't say it. I have had this product before in different subscription boxes, but my mind has gone blank, so apologies for not being able to say that properly. But if you know how to say it, write it down below so that hopefully it can stick in my brain if ever I was to have this product again, or a product from this brand. Multitasking leave-in mist. Oh, it's a mist, okay. That works all day to smooth, soften and detangle hair. Oh, I like that. I was thinking if it was a cream, sometimes creams can be a little bit heavy, but a leave-in conditioner mist sounds really nice. So I didn't know I was having this. The only items I chose were the diffuser and some sunglasses, which I'll show you afterwards. So everything else was a surprise to me. So the recommended retail price for this is $26. We're way obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften and detangle hair with moisturising properties and enhanced heat protection. And tip, mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing. So next I'm assuming, yeah, it's sunglasses. I am very particular about my sunglasses. I'm very rigid with the type of sunglasses I wear. I only wear aviators. Don't know why. I've tried to steer away from them, but I can't. It doesn't look like me. And yeah, I have to have aviators all the time. Got different shades. The bigger, the better. This is by Quay, Australia. I've got a little pouch, and they're black. And they are huge. And they are huge. Oh my word, that looks awful, doesn't it, with a ring light? I'll try and show you like that. Can you see there? Ooh. I'll put it on. Oh, they're smart. They're really smart. I have got a pair of black aviators, but no, these are bigger, so I'm really happy. I'll probably look like a bug now. Oh, they fit. Oh, see. Oh, I love them. I'm looking in the viewfinder, but oh my gosh. Oh, I love them. See, it fits my face perfectly, in my mind anyway. You were probably thinking you just look like a massive bug, Claire, but no, I love them. No, really chuffed, really chuffed to them. I've got them in Vivian. It's a black smoke pair of sunglasses, and the recommended retail price for this is $60. These oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for non-slip wear. Next, we've got something heavy. And what's this? And this is Champagne Charcoal Scrub by Manna Kadar, 520 gram. It says detoxify, exfoliate and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Oh my gosh. Then it's got it in different languages. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, I've made a right mess now. I'll try and show you. This looks really weird. I wasn't expecting that. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. The smell is gorgeous. Can you see that it's almost like a foam? Hopefully you can see there. Oh, the smell is lovely. I just want to put my fingers in it. It's like sugar. I've got little bits on my hands, and it's like sugar on my hands. So the recommended retail price for this is $24, and it says formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle body scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated and refreshed skin. And then it tells you how to apply it to the skin, what I read on the back. That is going to come so in handy for like fake tan season. I do a lot of fake tan over the next couple of months then, from about like May onwards. Then I do a lot of fake tanning, and I have to do a body scrub or else I end up really patchy. So now that's come in handy. So that's come at the right time. So we've got another beauty product, and this is by Tula, Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser, 200 ml. I love a face cleanser. Never heard of this brand before, never tried it, but a really nice size. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified and prepped for skincare. Use morning and night, and it just says massage into wet skin and rinse with water. So let's, it's got a seal thing on. I just want to have a sniff. It's just nice and fresh. Yeah, really nice. So the recommended retail price for this cleanser is $28, and it says this isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. Did I just read that off the back here? Yeah, never mind. And it says massage cleanser onto wet skin in small circular motions, then rinse. So that's that product there. And then our last product is makeup, and this is by Ciate London, and this is Extraordinary Translucent Powder, Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Oh, and that's what that looks like there. Wonder why it's extraordinary. I like Ciate London. I've got quite a few of their products. Never tried one of these though. I love the packaging. That is so nice. You might not be able to see much there. Ooh. But yeah, it's only like half full. Don't know if that's unusual. I don't know. I don't get many loose powders like this. They tend to last me for a long time. But no, what's it say here then? So the recommended retail price for this is $22, and it says the secret to flawless makeup. Use the lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. Take a fluffy brush and lightly sweep the powder all over the face to set makeup. So no more information really. Why it's extraordinary, unless it's just an amazing powder. I haven't tried it, so I'll be giving that a go. But yeah, no, nice to have some makeup products in there as well. So those are all the items. I'm just going to go through them one by one, quickly showing you what I got this season. So we got the Ciate London Translucent Powder. We've got the Tula Probiotic Purifying Face Cleanser. We've got Manna Kadar Charcoal Champagne Body Scrub. We've got a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Under Eye De-Puffer or Dark Circle Eraser, or what's it say? Eye De-Puffing Gel. That's the one. Then we got a Ouai Leave-In Conditioner. Then we got these amazing Quay Australia Aviator Massive Sunglasses in Vivian. Then we got these Giadzy and their measuring spoons. And then lastly, we've got a UNPLUG Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser. I've just added it all up. I've got 8 products in all with a value of $272. That is bonkers, isn't it? That is bonkers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never had a subscription box that shocked me, but I've got some amazing products. I am so excited to keep this going now. I am so chuffed that they now ship to the UK, and yeah, let me know if you signed up as well, if you're from the UK and you've signed up, or if you're from the US or any other countries and you received this box. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Is it one of your favourite boxes, or is it a box that you don't think much of, or all opinions? I would love to know. As I said at the beginning, I'm new to this, so I'm sort of feeling my way around, but no, I am super chuffed, really chuffed. It feels like a proper treat, like a proper nice gift box, if you know what I mean, with lots and lots of brilliant things in it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.